Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I have an amazing and delicious turkey marinade recipe for you. So to begin, I have about 1.5 to 2 lemon juice. So I'm going to add to the bowl. I have about 1/2 cup of butter. About a tablespoon of soy sauce. I have here about a tablespoon of Shan's tikka masala. And I'm using here a whole package of Shan's charga masala. Teaspoon of salt. And chili paste, garlic and ginger, and some cilantro. Gonna combine all of these ingredients together and it will become a marinade that is absolutely delicious. And this is what it would look like. So I have about 11 to 12 pounds of turkey, and I pat dry and it's clean. The insides are all nice and clean and dry. So now we are going to put our marinade on it. Gonna make sure, or you can use a brush. You gotta make sure it's everywhere. Really nice thick coating. Do the other side. And now we're gonna flip it over, and don't forget the back. So now that the marinated is on, really nice and thick, I put it in all the cavities inside as well. I covered it really good. Now we're going to let it sit. Preferably overnight is amazing. The taste will be very good. And if you want to leave it for an hour or two, that is also fine as well. So I have my turkey in a dish that I'm going to bake it in. It's shallow, so I am going to leave it in the fridge until I'm ready to bake. So saran wrap really carefully. So this is well saran wrapped. Now it's going to go into the fridge, preferably for a day or for a couple of hours, your choice. Now that our turkey has been marinating overnight, I'm going to remove the plastic wrap and it is ready for the oven. So please make sure your oven is preheated. I'm going to preheat my oven for 350 degrees. It's going to take about a couple of hours or more, and we'll keep checking on it. So this is what the turkey looks like after an hour of cooking. So we're just gonna brush a little bit of liquid over and then added some water in the bottom. And we are going to let it cook now for additional an hour and a half. Just a quick note, I ended up baking it for about 2.5 hours. First hour was on the top rack for 400 degrees, and then I reduced the heat to 325 to 350 for the remainder of the time, and I was keep checking it, and that's all. Thank you so much. Thanksgiving turkey is ready. It looks amazing, smells really good, and here we have our mashed potatoes, almond rice, corn, and some salad. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have amazing Thanksgiving. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.